Charleston Forge, American-made art furniture. Admire age-old metalsmithing, like the Calico Bay console table, inspired by the graceful lines of sport fishing yachts.
And enjoy timeless woodworking with this chic dining table from the Biscayne collection. Its contemporary asymmetrical base is inspired by the hull of a ship.
Explore unique hand-forged styling with these one-of-a-kind Cooper cocktail and drink tables. All made in Boone, North Carolina, in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains.
Come see our inventory today at McCreery's and McCreery's.com.
Or call us at 916-487-2019 to get started now.